Hi, I'm Laura, the founder of Evolve, and I'm here to tell you about our new Age Smart Power Duo, the Superfood 360 Serum and the Multi-Peptide 360 Cream. At Evolve, our approach to aging is about more than fine lines and wrinkles. It's about healthy, glowing skin at any age, big results from natural formulations that you can trust. The Superfood 360 Serum is our new anti-aging serum for any ages. It's a lightweight formulation that you can use on any skin type. Here are 3 key ingredients. Sacha Inchi peptides from Peru improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and skin texture. We have Peruvian maca, which improves luminosity and radiance, and Amazonian casey oil, which defends against aging. On the skin, the Superfood 360 Serum is a lightweight silicone-free texture, which can be used on any skin type. You can also use it on the eye area and on the neck as well. It's a perfect 3-in-1 serum for people who want the results without having to fuss using multiple products. The Multi-Peptide 360 Moisture Cream is our rich anti-aging cream for mature skin and for dry skin. You can use it as a night cream and also as a day cream for people who want real hydration. It's packed with high-tech green ingredients and it gives you an absolutely beautiful velvety texture on your skin. Three key ingredients that we find inside. We have a blend of 2 peptides, Sacha Inchi peptides and also coconut peptides, which work together in synergy to defend against fine lines and wrinkles and help improve the texture of the skin. We also have Brazilian cupuaçu butter, which is a beautiful, rich, hydrating butter. And then we have low molecular weight hyaluronic acid, which plumps up the skin from within and delivers a hydration boost. On the skin, the Multi-Peptide 360 Moisture Cream is a really rich texture. You can use it all over the skin after you've applied your serum, and it sinks into the skin instantly, leaving it feeling velvety soft and completely nourished. Sacha Inchi is an ancient seed used by the Peruvian Incas, and it's credited with helping them live to an average of 100 years old. It's packed full of vitamins and minerals and natural peptides. Peptides are high-tech green ingredients which deliver amazing benefits to the skin. As we age, the collagen and elastin in our skin gets degraded, which contributes to the formation of wrinkles and sagginess. Sacha Inchi upregulates critical aging genes which decrease tissue gaps in collagen and elastin in the skin by an average of 23% and up to 50%. This reduces sagging by an average of 18% in 28 days and up to 45%. It also reduces wrinkle depth by up to 32% and wrinkle volume by 36%. Maca has been used for centuries by Peruvian tribes to boost energy and endurance. The name maca is derived from a combination of 2 Quechuan words, ma, which means growth in the mountains, and ca, which means food that fortifies. It is harvested from the Peruvian high altiplano, which has extremes of high and low temperature and very high winds. When used on the skin, this patented peptide extract stimulates cellular renewal and boosts luminosity by 25% and skin radiance by 35%, while reducing the appearance of wrinkles and improving skin smoothness. Casey oil is one of the Amazon's best kept secrets, and it's been used for centuries by local tribes to improve the appearance of skin and hair. Obtained from the nuts of a majestic Amazonian tree, this precious oil is the highest known source of bioretinol and has more vitamin E and F than argan oil. Coconut peptides have a triple firming action for rejuvenation, moisturization, and anti-age wrinkle prevention. They help to smooth the skin and significantly decrease the number of wrinkles, visibly improving the skin grain and making the skin more flexible and perfectly moisturized. They are derived from natural coconut. Native to the Amazon rainforest, the cupuaçu plant is related to the cacao plant. This luxurious, nourishing butter is packed with phytosterols that can help support collagen and elasticity, so skin has the potential to stay younger looking and more supple for longer, as well as maintaining the skin barrier to improve hydration. Hyaluronic acid is one of the building blocks of skin and can hold more than 1,000 times its weight in water. Used on the skin, it helps to reduce wrinkles, making the skin look fresher with an improved skin tone. We use lower molecular weight hyaluronic acid, which penetrates the skin deeper and has more effective hydrating properties. It also increases the production of collagen.